Yeah, Chandan sir,
Hello.
good morning. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, sir. What about you?
Yeah, everything good. Yeah, today I am feel very happy because you're off only because you have it with me. Okay, so that's why
Yeah, thank
let
you.
me today's session. Today's sessions I think related to means how to develop our confidence and how to develop our knowledge. Because mostly people's I made and I heard lots of students and lots of people's they face lots of problem about unemployment. So I think it is a very big issue, and some people also they have a complete degree like a BBA, MCA, and engineering also. And after that, they do not found proper work like according our potential, according our degree. So what happening? What happened, Chandan sir? You have any ideas? Please, if you share with us.
Yeah. So, every year lots of BTech student or you can say bachelor student generated every year. Okay, but they are not capable to get a job. You can say that means they have a not industry knowledge. Okay, some research come. I saw the TV that some research that people have mostly engineer have don't have an industry knowledge. Okay, that's why it's a very difficult to get a job by. And also one you can say that government also they are not providing job. Lots of vacancy are there, but they are stopping, you can say, railway. They're stopping for past 4 years that railway job. So that is the also cause, and population also is the cause. But if you have a skill, so it's not only about it's a job, other things also you can do like self-employment, business, other thing. Okay, but our parents, we have study a lot. Okay, we have spent some money, so everyone have a dream to get a job in some company, some government job like that, but people are not getting a job because sometimes SSC conducted exam and they filled exam. Okay, students are filled exam or registered the exam, but sometimes they are not conducted the exam. So you can also the SSC make a source of income of just registration fee. In 2019 you see that people are protesting for conduct the exam. Okay, but or maybe give the result, I think. Yeah, but he didn't provide result, so
And
that's why
second
also
thing,
it's
yeah,
a
yeah,
total.
Chandan sir, I got it, your means answer. And second thing, I would like to mention here, people's they have a good confidence. Okay, because means I know lots of people's, lots of students lack of, they face only one problem: lack of confidence, lack of knowledge. So I think it's every students they a little bit concerned about our extra skills like English speaking course, English fluency, and communication skills also. So I think, what is your opinion in this field?
Yes. So, bookish knowledge is not important. Only not bookish knowledge. Okay. We have to also learn some life skill, critical thinking, presentation skills, communication skills. Little bit English is very important nowadays. Us living in North India. If you need mostly IT company in South India, so you must know English speaking, so you can able to communicate with people. In India, lots of languages are there. Every state have their own mother tongue language. Okay, so how you can communicate? So there is a one language needed, not only India, all over the world. So you can communicate with uh, anyone by. So language English is not a like skills. It's a medium, so you can share your thoughts, your opinion to someone else, and they can also understand. They give you reply. So that's why English is very mandatory nowadays. Okay. Mostly prefer company prefer language English. Yeah, and
And
yeah, some stereotypes also that.
yeah,
Yeah.
second question, Chandan sir, I have it because I met lots of younger like students. They are pursuing competition exams, preparation, continuous 2 years, 3 years, and after that they do not found work, they do not found job. So, what is your opinion? Means some students they are going where means right way, whether it is wrong way.
Yeah. So they have a lots of knowledge. They have also a good academy, but they are not getting a job. Okay, this is the question.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, because you can say that somewhat they are lacking in confidence also. Okay, because I already told you it's not only analytical skills like IQ. They need also EI, emotional intelligence. Okay, some are very really good in a study, but they are very afraid to meeting with people, communicate with public. They are not able to gather the people. So this is also a skills to how to gather in lots of people, how to manage the people. It's a teamwork. Lots of things are apart from studying. Okay, so like in college lots of things provide you. Okay, and you can learn also by yourself. Now you are already completed, you are doing job. Okay, you have to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And second thing, Chandra sir, means you means are you belong in Bihar? So mostly people they think about it. I think Bihar they give up lots of IPS, IAS. So what is your thinking? Means your circumstances means means they give up a little bit support. Yeah, every Bihari like they believe only hard work. So what is your opinion?
Yeah. So, in Bihar, there is no like a startup or company out there. So in Bihar, only few things they are thinking, either engineering, either medical or general competition. In general competition, they think IAS. It's a tough, okay? It's a top general competition, okay?
Yeah.
So yeah, means I'm not saying everyone Bihari is like hard working, but those who cracked, because he know that they have nothing. This is my only way, like UPSC or maybe SSC. This is my only way to get success. So they're putting lots of hard work in their study, their preparation in UPSC, or you can say SSC, CGL, so many things in government job. Yeah, that's why they and other state you can say that why UP Bihar like getting more become ISP, because other state not much interested in UPSC. They have a like Gujarat, you can say that they are mostly prefer businesses. Okay, South India mostly prefer technical things. Okay, Delhi they have a own business like that, but in Bihar there is nothing. No one wants to sit their family or their father shop. Everyone wants to get a job. Okay, so in Bihar or in UP you can say that there are so much craze about government job. So much craze. Mostly other state also have, but Bihar and UP mostly have, because in Bihar there is no employment. So there is a need now, so we can survive in a good manner. And government job provide you lots of luxury things if you are like a SBI bank manager like that. So I think they also provide you some for your children study things and stuff. I don't know much about. Yeah. So that's it.
Yeah. I mean, I got it, your answer. Yeah, and every person's they told about. I think some people's they got success. So I think it is a means relative circumstances. So I think it doesn't matter circumstances, but main thing you mentioned. I think people's they face lots of problem like unemployment, and after that they do not got job and like business. So I think people they think about it. That doesn't matter. I got a job and so they choose like a very doesn't matter difficult and normal. So I got it your question, and thank you Chandan sir. Means you give me some very previous time for me with me, and 100% I hope whenever means people's anybody they will watch this video, and 100% they got lots of good thinking, because I know you have a lots of experience. And the second thing, experience, every person they have a little bit concern about our future. So 100% people they make a first they make a good habits. Means for example, you also mention about I have a means too much book read and all kind of things. So I think it is a very good things, and 100%. Yeah, thank you, Chandra sir.